Well, hello guys, it's your boy Google back at it again with another little video. Today, something special. Obviously, we got Christmas coming up. As you can see, the house decorated and all that shenanigans. But for the first time, I actually have to give a shout out to my first sponsor on my Subaru WRX TR. Thanks to Import Image Racing for the sponsorship, and can't wait to start doing all the modifications on my car. Thank you for taking my vehicle into consideration and giving me that sponsorship. Today we're gonna give some parts onto my vehicle that they sent me. A nice little carbon fiber changes in the interior. But before I get started, I just didn't want to forget, and I wanted to give that nice shout out to Import Image Racing. Thank you for being my first sponsor, and thank you very much. For my Barrio Builds family, thanks for supporting, and I wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. God bless. Alright guys, here are the parts. We got the Noble LX dry carbon fiber for the dashboard. Also for the center console, where the shift knob is at, and then the complete interior, like the center console that leads up to that one right there. And we also got the steering wheel carbon fiber accents. So thanks again, Import Image Racing. I appreciate it very much, and get this installed. Alright, so we made it to the vehicle. We have it right here. Check it out. This is how it looks as of now. That whole center part is changing as well. That, and that. First step you want to do is make sure you clean all the surfaces and get everything prepared for the install. Got the nice handy dandy baby wipes. Let's get it to clean everything, and I'm going to be installing it. Alright guys, we got everything done. We had one minor setback. The stuff for the steering wheel, the carbon fiber accent for the actual steering wheel, was for a different year. So I'm going to be ordering that other one and getting that done. However, everything else turned out awesome. And here it is. Here's the trim. Check it out. Very nice. Here's the other side of that trim. Very nice. Then we got that center console. All completely done. Very nice quality by Noble. I definitely recommend it. Very nice carbon fiber. Yeah. So I'll be doing the steering wheel in a couple days. I might just get an actual steering wheel, custom steering wheel with the carbon fiber already on there, but we'll see. Nevertheless, I appreciate Import Image Racing for, again, the sponsorship. Can't wait to slap more cool parts onto my vehicle. The TR is definitely going to transform. Thanks for watching. If you want a hat, just let me know in the comments. I got some shirts as well. Just let me know. Please comment in this video. Let me know what modifications you all want to see next. Till then, God bless you all. Barrio Builds, Google. We out. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Sheesh.